हेलो, गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी। वेलकम टू माय चैनल द इनविजिबल ट्रेडर। वीडियोस अगर आपको अच्छे लगते हैं तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर कीजिए और बाकी लोगों को हमारे साथ जोड़िए। आई होप लास्ट वीक का हम एक बार रिव्यू कर लेते हैं। आई होप लोगों ने लास्ट वीक पैसे बनाए होंगे। लास्ट वीक में तो इन out of 5 days, I think 2 days I gave some live calls in the group anyway. And then everybody knows that we have taken CBTST on Tuesday. Wednesday also we have taken. I have not personally taken, but I recommended to do that at your own risk. So it has been wonderful profit, and I asked you to wait for a Monday closing, right? That was the view. व्यू हमारा कंसोलिडेशन का था, बट कंसोलिडेशन हैज टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर। जो मैंने पिछले वीडियो में भी बोला था, अगर यहाँ पे मार्केट मंडे क्लोज नहीं करता करता तो हम कंसोलिडेशन मोड में जाते, अदरवाइज हमने व्यू चेंज किया। आई आस्क्ड यू टू वेट फॉर आइडियली मंडे क्लोजिंग, राइट? एंड देन निफ्टी में भी मैंने स्टार्डल जो ओपन करवाया था, देन आई हैव आस्क्ड पीपल टू डू सम एडजस्टमेंट इन निफ्टी अराउंड 17,940 का टच एग्जैक्टली। अगर ये लेवल आप देखोगे इसी लेवल पे मैंने लोगों को बोला था यू डू एन एडजस्टमेंट एंड मार्केट, इट इज अ ब्लेसिंग। मैं एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा था, दैट इज द स्टेटमेंट आई मेड इन द Wednesday video, that if you're lucky market will expire around 17,700, and if you're bad luck market will expire above 17,800. So we became lucky. 17,750 के आसपास मार्केट ने एक्सपायर किया। I don't know how many people actually did an adjustment here, but that's okay. So this week, on a view side, did we make money every day? Absolutely, yes. We have made money every day. I think there have been many weeks where we have made money every day in a week, right? At least quite a bit of time. It's not all the week. I mean, we also get losses in couple of days, but this week we have been positive entire week. Okay, which is good. Now let us say for Bank Nifty, if you come here, right? Bank Nifty may be exactly same behavior, and what I told you guys is this week Bank Nifty is basically ideally going to drive Nifty. So if you look at the way the patterns are being formed in the chart, this is Bank Nifty and this is Nifty, exactly same except this piece, which was a very big gap down, right? Bank Nifty recovered really well. Nifty recovered, but it is a little bit shabby in nature, right? So that is because of Reliance and SDFC. and of course IT was falling like hues, right? Anyway, so next week, who would be the contributor in Nifty? Nifty ideally would be Bank Nifty, of course, but next week, okay, other than Bank Nifty, the people who are going to contribute here significantly is also Nifty IT. Okay, Nifty IT would be buy on dips for me. We'll come to TCS because people ask for the TCS view, how they want to trade because of the news. But before we go there, let us do a quickly analysis of Nifty, and then we'll go to Bank Nifty. So Nifty may the labels that I have, okay, the do die label for Nifty is ideally this, okay, 17,660, which where you can see is it's a very powerful level. So if you want to make it fat, you can make it fat. It's a very powerful level. Not because it is touching so many swing lows ideally where it has taken support, right? So if you know price action, how would you trade on this level? Simple, right? If this level is broken by Monday itself, or even Tuesday, it doesn't matter. Okay, whenever the level is broken and you have we don't need to wait for 1 hour. Even if it's sustaining below this level half an hour, we will go for a sell. Okay, we'll go for a sell from 17,650 to 17,500. It's a 150 point ka sell we would easily take. Okay, remember this. Okay, you can make a note, right? If for example Monday or Tuesday market is coming down, sustaining half an hour here, right? The next swing low is cut, you can go for a sell, and you can go for a positional sell up to 150. तो शायद आपको intraday में भी you might get 17,500 में you will cut your positions. Okay, there are two reasons. Remember this scenarios. I hope you are understanding what I'm saying. So this is a very very critical level for next week. Nifty में 17,660 का level. This आप खुद draw कर सकते हो. This swing lows you can draw. Okay, 150 point का sell 100% आपको लेना. ये आएगा 100%. Okay, before market gives a reversal. Market में whenever this is in my weekly buy zone. Okay, market में whenever I have a very very wide big zone, if you have seen my weekly videos before, whenever I have a very very wide big zone, especially on a weekly view, it is very difficult for the market to cut the bottom of the buy zone. Okay, for example, next week मार्केट बियरिश हो गया, न्यूज आ गया, ओमनीकरण की वजह से मार्केट गिर गया, वॉट एवर द रीजन, मार्केट स्टार्टेड फॉलिंग really 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 huge, it everything goes against our analysis and all those, but there is one guarantee that market will not break 17,400. Clear everybody? Market will not break 17,400, but मुझे इतना furious fall और negativity market में तो दिख नहीं रहा है. My view ideally, मोटा मोटा view for next week अगर आप मेरे को पूछोगे ना, depending upon the Monday candle, I'll give you the scenarios, but my view would be still buy on dips on the market. Okay, ज्यादा से ज्यादा मार्केट रेंज बाउंड हो जाएगा. आई एम नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग ए बिग फॉल इन मार्केट. However, 17,000, since there is no news, there is no furious fall that I'm expecting in the market, 17,500 would be my lower side in Nifty this next week. That means, and so level do die level is this 660. Lower side capping would be 17,500 to 400. Okay, 17,500 CP you can easily sell. Okay, and upper side it would be 18,050. ये level मैंने पहले भी आपको दिया था एक बार, 18,050, and the maximum is 18,275, which is 18,300 के आसपास मोटा मोटा ले लो. But market 18,300 जाएगा. Everybody knows our weekly theory. R2 के पास जाएगा तो ये वापस आएगा. Last week it did not happen. It came back, of course. If you look at it, came back. This big fall, which is looking surprising to people, but this big fall is because market crossed R2 and sustained. So it has to. These are magnetic trading, right? Market has to come back to below R2. Okay. तो similarly यहाँ पे भी होगा. से 18,300 के आसपास हमारी अपर साइड कैपिंग रहेगी, बट आई रियली डाउट कि 18,300 मार्केट पहुंचेगा, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन मंडे क्लोजिंग. आई विल गिव यू, बट ये देयर आर 4 लेवल्स दैट यू नीड टू रिमेंबर: 18,300, 18,050, 17,660, 17,500. Okay, these are the levels. Am I comfortable selling on the C selling? Probably not, because my view is still buy on dips. Okay, am I comfortable in selling C on Monday? People who are, I would still tell people to wait for the Monday closing. I'll give you that how market will may react based on the price action. उसके हिसाब से आप position लेना. Safe trader जो है, even options sellers, Monday की closing का wait करो. अराउंड ट्यूसडे 11 o'clock के आसपास ऑप्शन सेलिंग पोजिशनल आप चालू कर सकते हो. ओके, आई टेल यू हाउ टू डू इट. बट अगर आपको रहा नहीं जाता और मंडे ही आपको आइडियली पोजीशन चालू करना है, इफ यू वांट टू डू, यू कैन डू ए स्ट्रैंगल, क्योंकि मंडे आपको अच्छा प्रीमियम मिलेगा. मंडे प्रीमियम डिके विल नॉट हैपन, बट ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे प्रीमियम डिके विल हैपन फॉर श्योर. ओके, तो मंडे ओपन कर रहे हो तो वेडनेसडे तक यू नीड टू कीप. Wednesday or Thursday you need to do an adjustment. Okay, now what are the if people who are strangle seller, short strangle अगर किसी को करना है, 17,500 का P and 18,200 का C you can start strangle. Okay, you can start strangle, correct? Okay, 700 point का strangle आप कर सकते हो easily, and you have to keep till Thursday itself. अगर if you are opening this triangle, you have to keep this till Thursday. The adjustment that will happen, the adjustment will happen on Wednesday closing. Either Wednesday market नीचे side close करेगा और market ऊपर side close करेगा. Whatever the level it is closing, the closer it is to our level, like 18,200 or 17,500, the closer to our level, we would do one that leg adjustment. Okay guys, right? ठीक है. This is for Monday option sellers positions. Now, otherwise, how I am thinking market to behave. Okay, levels you have noted. How I am thinking market to behave based on the price action. What is this candle? This candle is a doji candle. Okay, is it taking a support and going up? इट इज, अगर आप देखोगे ये ऑलरेडी जो हमारा आज का नेक्स्ट वीक का डू डाई लेवल है ना, वो वहीं से सपोर्ट लेके ऑलरेडी ऊपर गया है, अगर आप देखोगे। ठीक है, राइट, करेक्ट, राइट। नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन ऑन मंडे? मंडे, पे अटेंशन टू दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इफ यू वांट टू मेक मनी। मंडे we might, agar there are two scenarios that will happen on Monday. Either you will see a green candle. Okay, the body would be big, very sure. The body is bigger, like a Marubozu kind of candle. You do not have spikes like this, you have a candle like this. Okay, if Monday candle is positive and it is not crossing the recent swing high, this one, and Tuesday market gaps down. Okay, not gap up, not flat, gap down, minor gap down is okay. Tuesday market gaps down and first 2 hours market does not cross Monday's high, like around 11 o'clock, you can start your positional selling. Okay, in that case you will start selling C. Okay, in that case you will start selling C a little bit out of the money C. Okay, clear? यहाँ पे सिनेरियो याद रखना, मंडे हैज टू बी ए ग्रीन कैंडल बट इट शुड नॉट क्रॉस द वीकली हाई, प्रीवियस वीकली हाई. Tuesday market gaps down, okay, mild gap down, and it continues the gap down trend towards the downtrend, okay, downside for till 11, and there is no recovery during the first 2 hours. If that happens, you know, almost sure that Tuesday will get a red candle, Wednesday will get a red candle, and Thursday we will see, might see a gap down, might not see a gap down, and Thursday, Friday market will recover. Okay, that is what the view is. Everybody is clear what I'm saying is, right? Tuesday market gap down, Tuesday red closing. If red closing, you will take P for Wednesday also. Wednesday red closing, Thursday market will recover, Friday market gap up, and it will come back to the same weekly high. Okay, व्यू इसका मतलब आपका क्या हो गया, मोटा मोटा कंसोलिडेशन का ही हो गया, राइट, कंसोलिडेशन का ही हो गया. We are not going to see a trending move like this next week. That is the almost sure. Okay, now this is scenario 1. In the scenario 2, for example, this candle becomes a red. Okay, this candle becomes red, then it is the opposite of it. Okay, for example, ये red बनेगा तो थोड़ा और नीचे आएगा, थोड़ा बड़ा बनेगा. See, Monday जो है, both Nifty and Bank Nifty are narrow CPI, so you might see a directional move, either positive or negative. That's why I'm saying you wait till Monday closing. So Monday, if the candle becomes red, guys, okay, and Tuesday market gaps up, is exactly the opposite scenario I'm telling you, and this is simple price action. Okay, market gaps up, first 2 hours market doesn't fall down, Tuesday market will make green, Wednesday market will make green, and Thursday market will do a reversal, and Friday it will continue. Okay, kitna point dega Thursday, Friday, I don't know, we'll see that in an intraday video, but this is how market is going to behave. That means what becomes important for us from this, all this discussion, if you remember, what is the candle color of Monday? Okay, the behavior is simple, has to be Marubozu. Doji woji बनेगा तो ये analysis काम नहीं करेगा. Remember, put a note on that. Monday अगर doji candle बनेगा तो ये जो मैंने दो scenario दिया, the scenarios I have given you, it is not going to work. Monday has to be a Marubozu candle like this. Okay, either green or red, doesn't matter. A green candle like this or a red candle like this, whatever it is. Okay, it has to be Marubozu. No spikes, no tails, no heads at all. A छोटा चलेगा but not big. Okay, not more than 30%. Then only the Tuesday opening becomes important. Okay, तो उसके हिसाब से आपको ट्रेड करना है. ठीक है, राइट, आइडियली. So Tuesday opening, so Tuesday 11 o'clock तक की जो पोजीशन होगी, उस पोजीशन प्राइस के बेसिस पे हमारा पोजिशनल ट्रेड चालू होगा. Everybody is clear? So in this scenario, when the Monday candle is red, Tuesday market is gapping up and not coming down or cutting the Monday's low till 11:30, we would start selling PE for 2 days, Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, right? Can we now? People can ask, can we make straddle on Monday or not? Right? Can we make straddle on Monday or not? For straddle people, strangle you can still open, as I said. For straddle people, I would request them to wait for Monday's closing. Mondays की closing का जो at the money price होगा spot में, okay, उस position में Tuesday को you can ideally open a straddle with an adjustment on Wednesday closing. Okay, I hope I'm not confusing people. Okay, okay. That is the very simple plan for next week. There is no other analysis required. Okay, there is no other analysis required. There is one thing that we need to probably pay a little bit attention, जो मैंने बैंक निफ्टी में पहले भी किया था. This is not like perfect, but still then if you see here, it's ideally a W pattern, right, where the neckline is here. Okay, and how much you should expect bank nifty to go on the upper side. If you see this, if you take the lower target, it's around 700 points, right, from the neckline here. It's coming almost to our R2 resistance 2 if you look at, right, 18,300 के आसपास. Now when this scenario will happen, this scenario will happen, as I said, when Monday is actually we have a red candle and Tuesday we have a gap up opening. In that case, this might happen that market will come to 18,200 mota mota आने की possibilities है. Now people will say, if market is Monday closing above weekly high, for example 17,900 18,000 के आसपास अगर मार्केट क्लोज कर देता है, फिर तो आपको शॉर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू वुड वेट फॉर 18,300 टू स्टार्ट सेलिंग. फिर तो 18,300 मोटा मोटा आ जाएगा. अगर मार्केट मंडे को 200 पॉइंट की क्लोजिंग देती है पॉजिटिव साइड, ओके, 200 पॉइंट की क्लोजिंग देती है पॉजिटिव साइड, 18,300 आएगा. एंड देन एवरीबॉडी नोज R2 में हमें कैसे ट्रेड करना है. तो रेजिस्टेंस 2 में अपन सी सेल कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, इन दैट केस as I said, Tuesday, see, in next week my belief is Tuesday and Wednesday are going to be the same color irrespective of Monday. Okay, Tuesday and Wednesday are going to be the same color. Okay, तो वेडनेसडे को आपको ट्रेंड कंटिन्यूएशन में ही ट्रेड लेना है. फॉर एग्जांपल ट्यूसडे मार्केट इज पॉजिटिव, वेडनेसडे में पी मत लेना. Okay, don't take. Market might come down. I mean, I may be wrong in my analysis, but to be safe trader, personally, I'll not take a PE trade. Similarly, if Tuesday's market is red, Wednesday I'll not take a CE trade because most probably the Wednesday trend will continue. That's what my belief is. Thursday go we can take a jackpot on the reversal. Okay, or intraday video mein we will cover. Everybody is clear? Nifty bank nifty ka bank nifty be same scenario. The scenario that I have given you, the scenario remains same. There is no changes in scenario. That means Monday, this is our weekly high. This is my sell zone for Monday also. Monday, if market forms a red candle, Tuesday market opens gap up, we will be on bull side. Tuesday, Wednesday bull. Thursday first half also might be bull, second half we will be selling. Okay, and if Monday market is positive, not doji, okay, positive, and doesn't close above weekly high, previous weekly high, Tuesday market gaps down, then only we will go for a sell. Okay, इस केस में भी अगर आप मार्केट में देखोगे, बैंक निफ्टी में लेवल ले लो वीकली, द डू डाई लेवल इज 17,131. क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? 17,100 मोटा मोटा ले लो, 37,100, 37,100, that means 600 points का downside I am saying. Okay, now in this case, if market closes, and especially on Monday I'm talking about, and Monday, Tuesday also chalega, but Tuesday before 11. Okay, if market closing above below this level 37,100, okay, then we might see a 600 to 700 point fall in bank nifty easily. on Wednesday. As I said, Wednesday the trend will continue. So in that case, Wednesday will continue with a 600 to 700 point of fall. That means Bank Nifty may, if you are trying to open a triangle, your triangle would be around 36,200. Okay, which is almost 1500 points down. So I don't know whether people really want to open a triangle on Monday or not. Okay, but 36,200 would be very, very safe to sell. On the upper side, there is a level here called 39,400. I didn't draw it. 39,400, ये 39,800 तक नहीं जाएगा. 39,400 की कैपिंग मेरी होनी चाहिए. Okay, so 3,000 point का range. It's a huge range. I really doubt if people can open triangle on this. Okay, so Bank Nifty में it would be better if you wait till Monday closing and open ideally a straddle rather than a triangle. You still need to do adjustment in straddle, especially on the upper side. Downside में market limited fall करेगा. That is what my view is. ऐसा नहीं कि market नीचे नहीं जा सकता. Market नीचे जाएगा, अगर जाएगा तो भी it would be limited downfall. Okay, that means for example, एक सिनारियो और है, मंडे मार्केट ने एक बड़ा रेट कैंडल ऐसे बना दिया, ह्यूज, लेट्स से 1000 पॉइंट 1200 पॉइंट्स का रेंज बना दिया, तो ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे आपको बाय ही करना है. ओके, ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे आपको बाय करना है, बिकॉज इन दिस बुल रन इफ यू गेट a furious fall, that furious fall is always a buy on dip scenario. क्लियर? लेवल में दे दूंगा इंट्राडे वीडियो में, ठीक है? तो मंडे का वेट करते हैं, as simple as that. बट सिनारियो मैंने जो बोला है वैसे ही आपको ट्रेड करना है. बैंक निफ्टी में लोअर साइड 36,200 to 300 की कैपिंग होगी मेरी, एंड अपर साइड आई एम लिटिल बिट वरीड, बट कैपिंग 39,400 के आसपास की हो जानी चाहिए. ओके, तो 3,000 पॉइंट का रेंज है. माय बिलीफ, पर्सनल बिलीफ, द वे आई वांट मार्केट टू behave, if you ask me personally, Monday I would like to see a red candle, Tuesday I would like to see a gap up, Wednesday I would like to see a continuation, Thursday I would like to see a gap up, and Thursday second time I would like to see a P jackpot, and Friday till this level. It is still going to be range bound, but this Tuesday, Wednesday would be directional in nature. Okay, pay attention to that, what I'm saying. Okay, this would be my preferable trade, where I'm saying I'm still buy on dips concept में ही जाऊंगा. But it may happen, it may not happen. That is why I gave you both the scenario, upper side and downside. Okay, ठीक है, मंडे का क्लोजिंग का वेटिंग करेंगे. 5 मिनट का टाइम फ्रेम में जाते हैं. Now, if you look at, ask me personally, the way market closed on Friday, do you think this is a bullish behavior or it's a bearish behavior? This is ideally a bullish behavior, right? If global market, how the global market? Global market is flat. ठीक है, देखते हैं फिर क्या होगा. बट मंडे की ट्रेडिंग हमारी क्या होगी? देखो, सेल जोन है, ये जो डे हाई है ना, वीकली हाई है, यहीं पे है. It's not that it is the weekly high. We have other levels here also. We have a supply zone here also, and there are 2 more levels here, and that is the reason we have created a zone. That means you have to take a sell attempt here. That means यहाँ पे sell attempt आप कब लोगे? जब market gap up हो रहा है. If market is gapping up, guys, and you see a negative price action here, एक sell attempt बनता है, and 99% अगर ये सेकेंड लेग में बनाता है तो यहां तक मार्केट आना चाहिए, गैप फिल करके मार्केट को फिर ऊपर जाना चाहिए, एंड मार्केट माइट गो एनी अमाउंट ऑन द अपर साइड. ये अगर फर्स्ट टाइम यहां से सेल दे रहा है ना, सेकेंड टाइम सेल यू विल नॉट टेक एट ऑल, बिकॉज if this is the kind of price action it is forming, ये price action मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है. If market is gapping up, giving you a sell, touching almost day's low, but closing on the day's high at the end of the day, it is a very, very clear sign market will gap up. Okay, तो इस केस में आपको P नहीं लेना है, market will go up in that case. ठीक है, and this is what I prefer tomorrow probably, if possible. Okay, right? This is preferable trade 1. Okay, preferable trade 2, अगर मार्केट गैप डाउन करता है, ठीक है, मार्केट अगर गैप डाउन करता है, माय बाय लेवल इज एट 37,350. हमारा डू डाई लेवल यहाँ पे है, तो मार्केट इतना तो नहीं आएगा. 600 पॉइंट का फॉल शायद मार्केट ना करें, but am I going to buy here or not? Okay, that is the question that we are asking. We can buy only in this scenario. Second leg, everybody knows that. Otherwise, we'll wait for this 37,136. Okay, यहाँ पे जो buying होगी ना, इसमें जो reversal होगी, the reversal would be furious. This level, this is our do-die level. This is my ideally intraday buy. This is ideally intraday buy. But this अगर 600 पॉइंट मार्केट गिरता है, आपको 600 पॉइंट की रिकवरी भी मार्केट कर देगा, provided that you have at least 2.5 hours to 3 hours from this level for the market to go towards the upside. Okay, buy यहाँ पे भी है, but buy here only at second leg, buy here at touch and go. Okay, simple trading. ये थोड़ा confusing है, इसलिए I don't prefer this trading. The first scenario I told you, that is the preferable trading for me if that happens, and most probably that should happen. See, the way we should actually think of this. See, this is a trend line, simple, bank nifty. This is a channel ideal, right? And if you see, it's a flag and pull pattern, right? Correct. तो ideally आपका अगर मार्केट इसके नीचे जाता है, which is a gap down scenario, of course, आपकी टारगेट कितनी होनी चाहिए? टेक्निकल एनालिसिस भी कर लेते हैं ना, देखो 670 पॉइंट्स का टारगेट है, ठीक है? तो टॉप से लेंगे, यहां से लेंगे, कहां से लेंगे? यहां से ले लेते हैं, आ गया ऑलमोस्ट आपका 600 पॉइंट्स आपका आ गया ऑलमोस्ट, ठीक है? दैट इज द रीजन आई एम टेलिंग यू, यहाँ पे बाय मत करना अनलेस यू सी ए पॉजिटिव प्राइस एक्शन ऑफ सेकंड लेग. ओके, दैट इज द रीजन. बिकॉज ये अगर गैप डाउन होता है ना, वेरी हाई चांसेस कि ये यहाँ तक आएगा बिफोर इट गिव्स यू अ वेरी फ्यूरियस रिकवरी. मार्केट विल गिव यू अ फ्यूरियस रिकवरी फ्रॉम हियर. ये फर्स्ट टच में ये नीचे नहीं जाएगा, इट विल गिव यू अ फ्यूरियस रिकवरी. If you cannot capture 500 points, at least capture 300 points tomorrow from here. Okay, 250 points तो minimum आपको capture करना है ये level से, ठीक है? Everybody is clear? That is why I am saying this trading I am not preferred. मतलब but ये बनता है तो 600 पॉइंट गिरेगा, ये easily 600 points it will fall. Okay, right? Now let's see. The preferable scenario I have already given you. Preferable scenario is gap up, we get a sell, we get a gap fill, we get a closing here, Tuesday market gap up. Okay, that is what a preferable trade would be. My preferable trade. Can we take a sell attempt from here? Of course, yes. If there are any label changes, I'll try to tell you in live, but you should attempt a sell from here tomorrow. Okay, very high chance. अगर आप sell नहीं ले रहे हो, for example, in scenario में, let's say you are not taking the sell, but take a buy. This buying is confident. If market is coming from the upper side and it is touching this gap, this buying is 99% sure that market will go upside. Okay, so we are talking about 37,770 to 38,001, 400 point की buying almost. Okay, और ये मिल जाएगा आपको. Sell you might get confused, you might get fear, but buy you should do without any fear. Okay, clear? That is the trading. Now now अगर market यहाँ पे आपको सेल नहीं देता है या फिर सेल देता है बट फर्स्ट लेग में एंड इट कट्स अप, क्या हम बाई करेंगे? प्रोबेबली मैं बाई नहीं करूंगा यहाँ पे. ये सेल जोन के ऊपर मेरी कल बाइंग नहीं, कुछ बाइंग होगी नहीं, बिकॉज यहाँ पे मार्केट बहुत वोलाटाइल होगा. ये सेल जोन के ऊपर अगर मार्केट गया, मार्केट विल बी रियली वोलाटाइल हियर. सो बेसिकली बाइंग में थोड़ा सा देखेंगे, प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. ऑप्शन सेलर पे ही सेल कर सकते हैं, they can sell P because it would be very difficult to cut this zone and again come back. Okay, तो P sell कर सकते हैं. निफ्टी का 5 minutes कर देते हैं. I don't know how long the video has become, but I try to keep it really fast. निफ्टी में कल जैसे मैंने आपको बाइंग दिया था, बैंक निफ्टी में आपकी बाइंग डबल बॉटम से होगी. इट्स ए वंडरफुल लेवल दैट वी हैव हियर. निफ्टी का डू डाई लेवल ऐसे भी 660 का है, and we have a buying at 701, exactly 17,701. okay, but ये सिनारियो भी तभी आएगा, यहाँ पे भी आपको फ्लैग एंड पुल पैटर्न मिलेगा, राइट? दिस इज आइडियली योर फ्लैग एंड पुल. एक बार अपन क्या करते हैं, इसका टारगेट देख लेते हैं. लेट अस टेक ए टारगेट. ओके, सो आवर टारगेट वुड बी आइडियली 200 पॉइंट का टारगेट है फ्रॉम दिस लेवल, यहाँ तक बड़ा है. देख के, दैट इज व्हाई आई एम सेइंग ये डाउन साइड में थोड़ा आई एम नॉट प्रिफरिंग इट, बट इसमें ये आपको ये लेवल वेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है निफ्टी में। ओके, आप 17,700 से ही बाय करो, आइडियली सेकंड लेग में ऑफ कोर्स बाय करो, बट बाय करो। आई रियली डाउट के 17,700 के नीचे जाएगा, बिकॉज दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी पावरफुल जोन फॉर मी टुमारो। डबल बॉटम है, जोन है, देयर आर अदर लेवल्स हियर आल्सो। तो 17,700 से आप एक बाइंग कर लो, ठीक है, छोटे स्टॉप लॉस के साथ ऑफ कोर्स, बट एक बाइंग कर सकते हैं। प्रिफरेबल ट्रेड तो हमारा यही है, मार्केट गैप अप करे, यहाँ पे सेल दे, गैप फिल करे, ऊपर जाए, ठीक है। एंड इफ दिस प्राइस एक्शन हैपेंस, एवरीबॉडी नोस ट्यूसडे मार्केट विल गैप अप अगेन। ओके, सो 17,800 से आपकी बाइंग हो जानी चाहिए, ठीक है। सिनेरियो इज वेरी वेरी क्लियर। थर्ड सिनेरियो जो मैंने आपको बताया, वहां पे अपनी कोई ट्रेडिंग नहीं है, market को you will watch option seller can, in this case option seller can sell P, market can still go up, possibilities hai, okay, right? Now coming to TCS guys, okay, देखो TCS में हमारी सेल जो यहाँ पे ऑल टाइम हाई के आसपास है 3981, मैंने टारगेट जो ग्रुप में एक चार्ट बना के दिया है 3955 का आसपास आ रहा है, राइट? सो आइदर 3000 न्यूज में है, बाय बैक है, the rally has to happen, that's what I think, okay. स्टॉप लॉस जो आपकी होनी चाहिए वो 3770 की होनी चाहिए, that means we are talking about a 70 point का stop loss and a 150 points का target, so it's a 1:2 risk reward positional में, which is very very safe to do anyway, it's a rewarding trade. मैंने तो टारगेट 4100 का दिया है, it may come next week, it may come after next week also, I don't know, but 4000 का टारगेट एक बार आपके पास आ जाना चाहिए। ऑल टाइम हाई शुड बी ब्रोकन आई थिंक, because of the news, buyback news that we have. प्राइस एक्शन अगर आप देखोगे, प्राइस एक्शन इज पॉजिटिव इन नेचर, ओके, दिस कैंडल, दिस कैंडल, दिस कैंडल, इफ 3 कैंडल का फॉर्मेशन इफ यू डू इट, it is ideally a positive price action, okay. And if you minus just the red candle, the 3 white soldiers concept agar aap bhi loge, it is actually going reverting from the 61.8 Fibonacci level, which is very very powerful. And if I go for a target, if I go for a target of this, let's see, ये देखो 1.618 का 61.8 का टारगेट अगर रिट्रेसमेंट लेता हूं तो एक्सटेंशन मेरा यहां तक आना चाहिए 4115, that should be my ultimate target in TCS, okay. But 4115 का जो टारगेट है वो टारगेट आपको इक्विटी में रखना है, okay, only equity players, not option buyers or sellers. ऑप्शन सेलर्स के लिए जो स्ट्रैटेजी होनी चाहिए, ओके, ऑप्शन सेलर के लिए जो स्ट्रैटेजी होनी चाहिए, अगर आप ओटीएम सेल करना चाहते हो तो 3800 का पी सेल कर सकते हो, डीप आईटीएम अगर करना चाहते हो 3900 का पी सेल कर सकते हो, ओके, ऑप्शन सेलर। ऑप्शन बायर्स जो है वो 3900 का सी बाय कर सकते हैं, बट यू हैव टू कट योर आइडियली प्रॉफिट अराउंड 3970-80, ओके, उसके आसपास एक बार प्रॉफिट कट करना, because this sell zone might give you some sales, this sell zone might give you some sales where if you're an option buyer, then you might lose the trade, okay, you might lose the trade. You can always re-enter TCS for a target of 4115, okay. बट पोजिशनल जो है, सॉरी, ऑप्शन बायर जो है, एक बार 3970-80 के रेंज में प्रॉफिट आपको बुक करना है। नाउ हमने इतना एनालिसिस किया, मार्केट अगर एग्जांपल 100 पॉइंट गैप अप ही कर देता है, अगर 100 पॉइंट गैप अप कर देता है, सिर्फ ट्रेड अपने को मंडे का ही लेना है, बाय ऑन डिप्स में, ओनली मंडे। मंडे जो आपको प्रॉफिट मिलेगा, दैट प्रॉफिट यू टेक एंड क्लोज इट, ट्यूसडे के लिए रखना नहीं है आपको। ऑप्शन बायर्स, ओके, ऑप्शन सेलर्स यू कैन सेल, okay, 3900 का P you can sell and keep it for 3-4 days, but option buyers Monday को ही, if it gaps up around 70-80 point plus, okay, then you do a buy on dips, it will go up 100%, it will go up, even if it is a gap up, it will be a buy on dips, okay, but you will close your profit on Monday itself, Tuesday तक नहीं रखना है आपको, okay, That is the only caution for option buyer I want to give it to them. Okay. Now, why I'm telling you these things, people, I don't know whether people understand, because I never give stock option buying on my videos. But hope people know the concept of delta hedging and delta drifting, right? If you don't know and you want to basically want me to make a video on this, ideally, okay, how, on what scenarios we should do what is the significance of this, just put a comment on the YouTube video and I will try to make a video. I will not make a like long video like 1 hour and 2 hour. I will explain you the rules. I will make some PPTs, bullet points and all this, so that you know what to go and hunt more in books and other YouTube videos and all those. But I'll tell you that in what scenarios they are being used. But mota, delta hedging is a concept which you use in option selling. Okay. Okay. Which is basically making the delta neutral at both the legs. Okay. And delta drifting is a concept which you basically use for option buying. Okay. Why? There is no concept of delta neutralization here ideally in option buying, but it is actually considering the demand and supply concept where delta drifting comes into picture, and delta drifting has to be done in option buying. And that is one of the reason I'm saying, if Monday market gaps up 70 to 80 points, you still do a buy on dips, okay, with a 0.5, 0.6 delta while strikes, and then you close on Monday closing, because Tuesday the delta will drift. Okay, the delta will drift, and if the delta drifts and you're holding a position in option buying, especially option buyers, then you will be in loss. It's rather safer to do a buy on dips again on Tuesday at levels if we have, but not to keep a positional position if it is a gap up on Monday. If it is not a gap up and it's just a flat opening and market cutting Friday's day high, then option buyers, you can go for a wonderful buying and you can make good money in TCS. That's what my view in TCS. Thank you very much. Good night. Baki live mein dekhte hain. Jai Mata Di.